Today we're going to be talking about perimeter, and perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape, so it's the length of the outer edge. So in order to find perimeter for this question, how do we find perimeter? We add up all the sides. Sometimes I talk about perimeter, it's kind of like a fence around an area, and how long does that fence need to be. So when we open up our foldable here and we look at our inside examples, at the top we have a rectangle, and if we're trying to find perimeter of this rectangle, first I need to know the length of all the sides. So since this side and this side are opposite of one another, they both are 64 inches, and this side are both 17 inches. In order to find perimeter, I'm just going to add up 64 plus 17 plus 64 plus 17. So 4 plus 7 is 11, 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 plus 11 is 22. Carry my 2. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 1 is 16. And so my perimeter here, I label with inches, is 162 inches. It's a length, so it's the distance from all the way around, so that is, my label there is just inches. The next one is the perimeter of a triangle. Again, in order to find perimeter, we're adding up all the sides, and so I'm going to add up 39 plus 36 plus 30. 9 plus 6 is 15, carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10. And so the perimeter of this triangle is 105 feet. Next I have a hexagon and a pentagon and a hexagon. At this point, if you'd like to challenge yourself and try these two, I would recommend that you try them and then just use the video to check your answer. So pause and then check. Hopefully you've tried this on your own and you added up all your sides: 13, 14, 12, 16, and 19. And when you added them all together, you do have to be extra careful. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 9 is 24. Carry my 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so my perimeter of my pentagon here, my five-sided shape, is 74 inches. And the hexagon here, you kind of have two different methods. Either you can add 53 6 times, or you can recognize that each side is all the same length. And so I'm just going to do 53 times 6, because there are 6 groups of 53. And when I do that, I carry my 1, I get a perimeter of 318 centimeters. Again, if you would choose to add 53, 53, 53, 53, and 53, you would get the same answer. It just would be in a different way. And so you'd still get 318 whether you chose to add those sides or see that when you're adding, or multiplying is like repeated addition, and since they're all the same length, we can multiply by how many sides there are to get my perimeter.